Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit of everything. I'm actually getting ready to start our dinner in the slow cooker tonight. It's almost 4 o'clock, so I really need to get that in there. I also have a Walmart grocery order pickup ready for this afternoon, so I thought I would share a grocery haul. Hadn't done that in a little bit. And then, as promised, I filmed the other night a nighttime Halloween decor tour, as well as our porch and everything outside. So that'll be in this video as well, and maybe more. Who knows? We might do some packing of the camper. We're gearing up for a camping trip this week, so lots going on. So I thought I would just bring you guys along. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So tonight we're gonna make Swiss chicken. You may have made this recipe before. It's really good, but if you haven't, you need to try it. So in my slow cooker, I've just got 3 chicken breasts that I cleaned and trimmed up. The original recipe calls for 6, but for our family of 4, 3 good-sized chicken breasts is plenty. 6 will be way too much. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, I have my chicken in there. Now we're gonna mix 1/2 cup of milk and 1 can of cream of chicken. Next, right on top of that, we're gonna add about 6 slices of Swiss cheese, or however much cheese your heart desires. Although your heart might disagree in a few years, but we ain't gonna talk about that. This is good, okay? I'm not claiming it's healthy. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the packet from Stovetop stuffing mix, and I like the chicken flavor. We're just gonna sprinkle that all on top of the cheese. And my camera's going dead. We better hurry. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of move that around to get those seasonings mixed up evenly. All right, and lastly, you're gonna take 1/4 cup of melted butter, or 1/2 stick, and pour it over your stuffing mix. And you wanna kind of get it as moist as possible. Sorry if you don't like that word. You know what else word I hate? Nougat. Like in a candy bar. We were talking about this the other day. Nougat. Comment the word that y'all cannot stand to hear. I'd rather hear moist than nougat. I don't know why. Okay, y'all.
What about moist nougat?
No. No moist nougat in this recipe.
Nougat.
Stop it. No moist nougat. That is nasty. I don't know what that is, but it's nasty. All right, y'all. I actually melted a whole stick of butter. Oh Lord, call the food police, because I like it to be moist. Like I said, I don't want it to be dry, having little dry pieces in here. But you can also add a little bit of chicken broth if you would rather not add butter. But like I said it was delicious, not healthy. We're gonna pop the lid on. This is gonna cook either on low for 5 to 6 hours. I'm gonna do mine on high, about 2 to 3 hours. Alrighty, we are home from our grocery pickup. So let me show you all of the groceries we got. And I'll kind of tell you our meal plan as we go as well. So back here, just some chips, but then the tortilla chips are gonna be for taco salads one night when we're camping. That's one of our camping meals. And then also one night we're gonna do spaghetti. I already have sauce here, but I got some of the little garlic breadsticks. These are so good and they're so cheap. We needed spaghetti noodles and we needed some more Parmesan cheese. And then I picked up some of the Stouffer's macaroni and cheese and fettuccine. I like to have these in the freezer for the girls' lunches. We'll probably even take those camping with us. And then another camping meal is smash burgers. We always do that. Which, by the way, I will link our last camping meal video that I did over the summer if you kind of want to see what all we eat on a camping trip. But one night we're going to do smash burgers, and I just got some fries to do in the air fryer along with that. Also got some K-cups for our Keurig in the camper. And then over here we got a big pack of bacon. We got ground beef for those smash burgers. I got 3 packs of chicken. One is going to be for chicken tacos, and that recipe is in that camping meal video. And then one is for, actually 2 is for the chicken tacos, and 1 I'm just gonna do some crock-pot barbecue chicken because it's easy and delicious. And with that meal, we're gonna have green beans and something else that I forgot. Oh, roasted potatoes. I have a few potatoes still left at the house. Then I got our ground beef for spaghetti. I just got a little small thing of eggs. This is mainly just gonna be to make French toast on the Blackstone for breakfast one morning. So to go with that, we like to use the swirl bread. The French toast one is always really good. Got some more American cheese. You gotta have that for smash burgers. And then this is for those chicken tacos. Here's a recipe. You ready? Salsa and taco season. And then the girls have been loving the Dunkaroos with the yogurt, so I got some of those. And then just the regular Dunkaroos. I got the ones with chocolate and ones with vanilla. We needed some more maple syrup, so I got a bottle of that. A half a gallon of milk. I always like to do the half a gallon when we go on our trips. It's just easier to fit in the camper. Then popcorn, love having that for nights in the camper. I did not order broccoli, but they put it in here, so broccoli and cheddar soup sounds really good this week. I got 2 onions, and that's actually all the produce. We have a lot here. We have apples. I'm gonna get bananas closer to time. What else? We have a good bit of stuff still in there, so I didn't want to buy it too early before we go. And coming on down here, I got some canned Diet Sun Drops. They finally had some juice pouches, so I got a big thing of the Kool-Aid jammers just for the week and for our trip. And then a big thing of bottled waters. And then just a little bit of non-food items. I needed some more kitchen soap for the camper, regular soap, the girls' shampoo, and toothpaste. And that's it. That's our grocery haul. All right, y'all, here is the Swiss chicken. Cooked on high for 3 hours, and then I turned it down to low, probably for another hour. But right now it's on warm, and it smells so good in here. It smells like a little mini Thanksgiving, and it's looking good and cheesy and all golden. So I'm just gonna make us some rice to put this over top, and we're gonna have dinner. All right, it's time to eat. I got my rice right here. We're gonna put this Swiss chicken right on top. Let me bring y'all closer so you can see how yummy. Chicken is nice and tender down there. And there we go, Swiss chicken. Like I said, it's like Thanksgiving, a mini Thanksgiving in a bowl. If you haven't tried this crock-pot recipe, you need to try it. Hey y'all, so I'm not sure what video I'm including this little nighttime Halloween decor tour in, but I promised you guys I would show you the inside at night as well as our porch that we decorated. So let me show y'all how cozy it looks at nighttime. Alrighty, so here is the front at night. Our little hay bale and scarecrow people over here. I think they look so cute. And then here's the lanterns at night. They look so good. I love them. You can see them from the road. And they just light up the little pumpkins and mums just enough. And then of course, you can see this spooky purple glow from the Halloween tree from the outside and our trick-or-treat sign. So let's go in and let me show y'all what it looks like.
I'm keeping your plants from dying.
Water him. He's the, you the real mum VP.
I guess you could call me a mummy.
You're a stay-at-home mom. Actually, that wasn't even a joke, because that's what they are called in England.
What?
A stay-at-home mom.
That's what the plants are called.
They're called chrysanthemums.
What?
Chrysanthemums. That's what a mom. All right, y'all, it's Friday night and we are being silly. But anyways, this is what the foyer looks like. And if you remember from my daytime tour, I told y'all the tree appears black in the dark, and seriously, doesn't it though? I mean, even in person, like the purple is not quite as bright, and it looks like the Halloween tree. So this is this little area. You can see the trick-or-treat sign, of course, better. and the little jack-o'-lantern over here on this side. And I love it because if we have any trick-or-treaters, it's like right here by the door. Not that they care. Let me tell y'all this. Listen at this. So this is kind of funny. I was talking to McKenna about that trick-or-treat sign. I'm like, wouldn't that be so cool? Or was it Hayden? It might have been Hayden or McKenna. I don't know which one. But I said, wouldn't that be so cool when trick-or-treaters walk up and they can see in here, see that Halloween tree and how it looks so cool in here? And whoever it was like, ain't nobody gonna care about that. When you walk up to somebody's house, you're not looking in their house. I'm like, if I was a kid, I would think that's so cool. I know, right? Like, I would look in there and think it's cool, but apparently they don't care. So there's the tree and the bats and everything. I'm not gonna go over everything like I did, of course, in the original tour. And then here's the dining room. Darren turned the skeleton on and the little jack-o'-lanterns. I need to turn those lamps off. We can kind of see them lighting up over there. Still looks really cute. And then here's a look at this area in the living room. It's not quite dark, but I figured it's getting there. It's dark enough to do this so I can show you guys. But of course I love the little candles and our little Halloween tree when we're sitting in here watching Halloween Town and Hocus Pocus and all that good stuff. And the lights on the TV stand. And then my little pumpkin down here. And then my little Scentsy warmer. Is it not so pretty? I mean, even with just that on, it lights up this whole dining room. Oh, and I have that little lamp up there. It kind of puts off that amber glow. Definitely ties in with the Halloween theme. I turned those lamps off so y'all could see the little jack-o'-lantern faces. Aren't they so cute? I just love them. And yes, I know that sign looks like it says eat, drink, and be Larry or LaCarrie, okay? But just it's fine. It's all good. Eat, drink, and be scary. I made a fancy S, kind of looks like an L. We don't care. We don't care. I'll take the L. Oh, and then this is our little Charlie Brown Halloween tree. I don't even think I showed this in the daytime Halloween tour, but my grandmother got it for Hayden a couple years ago, and we just put it out, but it lights up. I just thought it was cute sitting down here. And then of course the kitchen, there's not really a whole lot going on. Our dishwasher is running though. With a few little candles and such. Nothing too exciting. But my little cauldron candle holder and that little faux candle thing over there. And then here's what this looks like at night with the little jack-o'-lantern faces. Hey y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. I had to pop on here and do a little outro because I didn't film one since this video was a little bit spastic, a little bit all over the place. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all real soon in the next one. Bye y'all.